Cook for you, spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for you presents fish fry curry with khichdi. Take quarter cup or handful of fresh coriander leaves. Add 4 to 5 garlic cloves. 3 to 4 green chilies or as per your taste. Now add little bit water and grind well. Our coriander paste is ready. Separate 2 teaspoon paste aside for fish fry. Add 2 tomatoes and leftover paste and grind it well. Gravy puree is ready. For fish fry, take 2 teaspoon coriander paste. Add half tablespoon fish masala. Quarter teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder. Salt to taste. Add 1 tablespoon oil. Mix it well. Add some water. Make a thick paste. Add fish. Apply it well. Coat the masala on fish properly. Set aside for 30 minutes. For fish curry, take 2 to 3 tablespoons oil. Add 10 to 12 curry leaves. Add tomato coriander puree. Roast well. Add quarter teaspoon turmeric powder. Half teaspoon fish masala. 2 tablespoons Kashmiri chili powder. Roast well. Cover and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Now add fish. Add some water. Salt to taste. Cover and cook for 8 to 10 minutes on low to medium flame or until curry thickens. Remove in a bowl. Add fresh coriander leaves. Our fish curry is ready. For khichdi, take 1 tablespoon oil. Add 1 teaspoon pure ghee. Add 1 sliced onion. Sauté well. Add half teaspoon cumin seeds, optional. Add some water. Cover and cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Now add half cup soaked moong dal. Add some water. Cover and cook low to medium flame 7 to 8 minutes. Now add 2½ cup soaked rice. Add water accordingly. Salt to taste. Dries out the water. Cover and cook on low flame 15 to 20 minutes. Khichdi is ready. Frying the fish, take 3 to 4 tablespoons oil. Add marinade fish. Fry the fish on medium flame 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Flip the sides. Fry 3 to 4 minutes. Again, flip the side. Fish fry is ready to serve. Dish out. Do try this recipe and share your valuable feedback with us. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.